Hello world, cocomarTech here, and the Edifier W220T is one of the best earphones for its price range. And I can honestly say na sobrang ganda talaga ng Edifier 220T, lalo na yung sound quality and yung kanyang gestures. But before we start our video, ano ang weakness ni Bulbasaur? Edifier. Funny ba yan?
Bruh.
No. Also, I'll be giving away this pair of earphones. All you have to do is watch the whole video dahil kapag sinabi ko yung mechanics ngayon, baka hindi nyo napanoorin yung buong video. Let's not waste time and let's start with the unboxing.
Yeah, it's been a long night, and maybe I should go home. But it's been such a long time since I felt this good on my own. On my own, on my own, on my own. On my own, on my own. Baby, I am born to run, and I
Ang pinakaunang nagustuhan ko with the Edifier W220T is yung kanyang gesture controls. Meron siyang Edifier app na you can download with your Android phones and your iOS devices. And what I really like about the gestures is it's not your usual gesture controls with your other earphones. Kasi 'di ba sa ating ibang mga earphones, ang mga gestures ay tap. Pero with this one, ang gestures niya ay pinch. So, with one pinch, it's either play or pause, and then for the 2 pinches, 3 pinches, and hold pinch, you can customize it with the Edifier app. So, bakit ko nagustuhan yung pinch control? Kasi with the tap, madali mong ma-accidentally matap yung earphones. Kunwari, nag-something ka sa buhok mo, ganyan. So, pwede yung matap yon or something like that. But with the pinch gesture, less likely yung mapause mo yung music or video na pinapanood mo. And you can even customize yung sensitivity ng pinch na gusto mo for your earphones. Second thing I like about the Edifier 220T is of course yung kanyang sound quality, which is, let's just say, the most important thing for finding a pair of earphones. Kasi ano nga ba yung earphones kung di maganda yung music unless gusto mo lang talaga for aesthetic purposes? I can confidently say na it sounds better than my AirPods. Sobrang clear niya, bass is very deep, mid-tones are good, high tones are good. Overall quality, very, very good siya. And sobrang nagulat talaga ako sa sound quality. Sobrang halata na mas maganda talaga yung sound quality nung Edifier 220T. Next thing na maganda with the Edifier 220T is yung kanyang game mode. Kasi meron siyang low latency. So kung mahilig kayo mag-gaming and gumagamit kayo ng Bluetooth, of course, for wireless earphones, hindi mo mahalata yung lag or yung discrepancy between the sound and the game that you are playing. Ang next na magandang feature niya is yung voice quality when calling. Whether voice call, messenger call, Zoom call, napaka-clear ng voice dahil meron siyang dynamic na noise reduction and it amplifies yung voice na naririnig sa earphones. And both earphones meron siyang microphone. So bakit nga ba maganda yung voice quality ng Edifier W220T? Because it's powered by Qualcomm's aptX technology, which really improves the voice quality of the earphones. If you really use your earphones for Zoom meetings, for online meetings, for whatever meetings online, or mahilig lang talaga kayo tumawag with your loved ones, your family, and friends, napakagandang option ng Edifier W220T. So before we continue our video, sasabihin ko na yung mechanics on how to win a pair of Edifier 220T. All you have to do is comment 5 words in the comment section, 5 words na walang letter E. Of course, wag niyo sabihin kung ano yung mechanics in the comment section kasi lugi rin kayo, baka manalo sila, diba? And I'll be picking the winner at the end of the month, which is at the end of September 2022. Good luck! Ang next na magandang feature of W220T is yung kanyang battery performance. 6 hours of single playtime with one charge and 18 hours combined with the charging case. Kung mahilig kayo mag-continuous listening to music or just use your earphones, maganda to. And if you travel a lot, maganda siya dahil ang kanyang charging din ay Type-C, so mabilis din ang kanyang charging time. Lastly, ang kanyang aesthetics is very sleek. Honestly, mukha talaga siyang AirPods. Pero para sa akin, mas maganda siya tignan kasi mas maikli yung stem niya with the first gen AirPods syempre. But meron din siyang black color which is very sleek. And what I also like with the earphones is yung kanyang charging case. Very compact siya, madaling hawakan with one hand. So ano yung mga disadvantages na nakikita ko with these earphones? First is yung kanyang pinching technology. So I know I really like the technology, yung kanyang gestures, pero I'm not really sure kung how durable yung earphones niya, kung gaano katagal magtatagal to with the pinch technology. Actually, yun lang yung nakikita kong disadvantage with the Edifier W220T. I really like this pair of earphones. And hindi ko to sinasabi dahil sponsor nila sa akin to. I'm risking my credibility for what I say with every video, and I can confidently say na maganda talaga yung Edifier W220T. If you want to purchase this device, ilalagay ko yung link in the description box below so you can order it right away. Meron doon Shopee link, Lazada link, and of course, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified for more tech videos. Ano masabi mo, Mateo? You like the earphones? You like it? So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Comment your thoughts and I'll see you in my next video. Keep safe, guys.